Yeah, um, I don't know how to bear patience, honestly, because there is so many things which I feel like I am wasting for some reason, because, I'm doing all those correct things. I am vlogging every day, documenting my journey, I am DMing people every day, I'm reading books every day, I'm reading Quran every day, I'm reading, I'm training every day, I'm doing all those correct things. But for some reason, at back of your mind, there is like sprinkles and whispers of the devil that you are wasting your potential, that you are not doing good enough, that all these thoughts, especially when you see people like this guy right here, and he is making shorter videos than you're doing. Yes, definitely more high quality, I get it, but I mean, I'm doing content as this guy is doing, and why I don't have the results which this guy is having. You know what? Bear patience, because I know I'm doing the correct things, because otherwise I wouldn't have 850 subscribers, bro. I remember days when people used to make fun of me when I had like 33 or 35 subs. Now we are like 10x, 10x, I mean 20x out of that number, when people are still gonna be like, haha, just less than 1k subs, what you're even talking about. But you know what? First of all, I built the immune system against all this bullshit. Second, there are gonna be a lot less people who are gonna be, like making fun of you, because 1k is already something which they're gonna be like feeling at least a little bit uncomfortable about joking about, because they don't have even like anything close to that on any of their social media, bro. Any social media. I don't care if it's Instagram, especially on YouTube, bro. What you're even talking about? Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. I'm proud of myself that, you know, I'm doing all those correct things. I just need to bear patience, I believe. I just need to bear patience. Just need to learn. Just need to keep doing all those correct things. Yeah.